Robowars is Tech Camp's exclusive 5-day robotics course, covering all aspects of robot design, programming, and construction. Using our own Invent expandable construction system, create all sorts of different robots and mechanisms to compete in the Robowars challenges. Our robotics system is designed fully in-house and not available anywhere else. The robots use a BBC microbit to allow younger students to use drag-and-drop coding and older students to use Python, a popular and advanced programming language. Start the week with some simple challenges to get to know your robot and what it can do. Next, design and code your robot to complete a Minesweeper challenge and an obstacle course to get the fastest time. Once you've mastered the basics, learn how to use a second microbit to remote control your robot and compete in teams to be the champions of Capture the Flag and Robot Football. Finally, complete solo in the last two challenges, Robot Sumo and the Flipper Showdown. Use a servo module and your mechanical design skills to create a battle-ready flipper robot. As with all Tech Camp courses, take home your full Robowars kit after the camp. A mainboard with sensors, outputs, motors, and cables. Your modular construction kit and servo module for creating mechanisms, and a second microbit for remote controlling your robot, so you can continue learning, creating, and coding at home. Book now to reserve your high-tech robot kit and place on this exclusive Tech Camp course.